presidents, head of state, and the world leaders. I am calling for protection. I, Twin Remor, and the Montagnard activist urgently ask the world to listen. Together with the Montagnard human rights activists and defenders who are currently seeking asylum seeker and refugee in Thailand, urgently call upon the United States, France, European country, ASEAN country, Australia, and the United States nation and international human rights organization. Please listen to us. Please protect us. And please do not leave us alone in fear. And please do not abandon us to be kidnapped by the Vietnamese authority and then pressure into deportation from Thailand back to the Vietnam, where we may face the long-term imprisonment and possibly die in the hands of the Vietnamese Communist police. We are Montagnard people from Central Highland of Vietnam, and we currently seeking asylum seeker and refugee in Thailand. For many years, we have spoken out about the concern related to religion freedom, land rights, and cultural rights, and freedom of expression, and about how those who speak up and to protection their community are treated unjustly. We are Montagnard activists and community members have faced religion persecution by the Vietnamese authorities. We have been monitored and interrogated and pressured and imprisoned and for a long period. Because of this, we played illegally and sought asylum seeker in Cambodia and Thailand for past 12 years under protection of UNHCR. However, Vietnamese authorities are now actively searching for us, attempting and to help us to kidnap and pushing Thai authority to deport us back to Vietnam. This is because we are activists and who have spoken out and documented ongoing and Christian religion persecution in the Central Highland of Vietnam. We have witnessed extremely severe repression thus contracted their claims. We urgently need United States nations and international human rights organizations to protect us and help us to find a safety to life. And we also ask and thus these issues and to be independently investigated and verified and not simply enough. We are also deeply concerned about transnational repression by the Vietnamese authorities. As Montagnard activists who fled Vietnam seeking a safety, we fear and thus surveillance, pressure, and threats at term and to kidnap and possibly return us to Vietnam may be continued. If returned, we could face service and persecution and possibly die in the prison. This creates underwhelming and scenes of security. We fear return to Vietnam because we believe that if we are sent back, we may be arrested, imprisoned, persecuted, or severely mistreated simply for our human rights and religion or community advocacy. Some of us even fear and thus we might die in the prison or be secretly harmed, and thus our families and the international communities might never know the truth. This our fear, and this fear and must be investigated and not dismissed. We are not asking the world to believe every allegations and without evidence. We asking the world to listen and investigate, verify, and protect. We call on the United States, France, European countries, ASEAN country, Australia, and United States nations and to take the citizens of the Montagnard human rights activists like us seriously. We urge international organizations to create a safe and confidential channel so that activists and refugees, witnesses, and those at risk of the persecutions and can share their experiences without fear of retaliation. We called on the government to carefully assess the risks paid by the Montagnard asylum seeker and refugee in Thailand and ensure that no one is returned into the place and where they may face persecution and serious harm. We also called on international communities to pay greater attention to concerns regarding religion persecution and land rights in the Central Highlands of Vietnam. For many Montagnard people, this is not just a political issue. It's about our homeland, our families, our faith, and our identity and our future. We want to laugh. We want life is safety. We want to practice our religion without fear. We want to preserve our culture and identity. We want to protect our communities and preserve the memory of our ancestral land. And we want to speak peaceful about human rights and without being treated as enemies. We do not want violence. We do not want hatred. We want protection and pure treatment. To the United Nations, please listen to our voice before it's too late. To the United States, France, Europe, ASEAN, and Australia, and please stand with those who are seeking safety and protection. To the International Human Rights Organization, and please conduct independent investigation and acknowledge and what we are experiencing. To international journalists and media, please help bring the voice of those who are afraid into the light, and to the people around the world, please do not turn away. I am pleading for help, and not only for myself, but also for other Montagnard activists who fear from their safety. We need the international community to help us find a safe place where those at risk of the persecution and can be protected and left without content, fear of the being tracked or the retaliated against. We need protection. We need a safe place. We need to be heard because behind every activist is human being, a family, a life. Please do not wait for the treaty to happen before taking action. Do not let fear and turn into silence. Do not let borders become the barriers and to the human rights protection. Please listen to me and the Montagnard activists. Please protect those who are at risk. And please listen to the Central Highlands. Please help us find a safe place. Thank you very much to you all for listening to us. My God bless you.